Get in here. This is your favorite teacher again. Guys, can you believe we're on week 5 already? Power School has been updated and shows your current grade. If you're disappointed about your grade, I strongly suggest that you go back and complete any of your missing assignments. Also, tomorrow is parent conference night. Please, please, please have your parents log in to meet your favorite teacher, me. This week we're going to be learning about controlling ideas and transitions. Guys, also we are doing something new. Now, instead of seeing my friendly smiling face 4 times a day, you will only see me 1 time a day from 10:05 to 11 o'clock. There is a new link in your class work section for this Zoom. Again, we're doing something different for the reentry program. I hope that I get to see many of your smiling faces today. All right. If you have any questions, remember you can reach out to me and I will respond between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Let's have another fabulous week. I love you all.